The online store you create on Weblium provides all the essential SEO features for your products to be found in Google and Bing. In this video, we'll show how to control the indexation of the whole store, how to add meta tags for products and categories, and more. So, you decided to create an online store at Weblium. Good choice. While you are working on it, you may want to hide it from the search engines to avoid unnecessary indexation. For that, open the General Store settings and toggle the switch on. You can turn it back off once you are done setting up the store. Now, let's see which SEO settings are available for the products. Choose a product in your store, click on it to open the settings, and navigate to the SEO tab. Here you can block a particular product from showing up in Google, also add the page title and description. If needed, change the product URL to the new one. Don't worry, previous URLs will redirect to the new URL you added. Click Save once you are done. Now return to the products list and select a few items here. Click on the Mass Actions button to see that you can turn on and off the indexation for multiple products simultaneously. Let's move on to the category SEO settings. Open the Categories tab in the store, select one, then navigate to the SEO tab. Same as with products, here you can block a certain category from indexing, then add meta title and description. Change the category URL if you feel like it, old links will redirect to the new ones. What's different for categories is that you can add an H1 tag there. Again, make sure to save the changes you applied. Those were the basic SEO settings for the store. If you'd like to learn more about the general SEO for your website, check out the related video here.